This is Newham Hospital and it's lift tour time. Now to a first lift, which is a nice second generation eco-disc. This lift goes between ground floor, first floor and spooky level P, which is locked off. Oh, so much want to know what's up there. Right then, let's go up the stairs to find out what is on level P. Up I go, and the door's locked! Okay, now we go to the next lift, which is a really nice second generation eco-disc with the more powerful third generation eco-disc motor. This lift goes between ground and 1. And now to the next lift, which is a crap generic.
Please mind the door.
So now we go to the next lift, which is another crap generic. This one wasn't working. And now to the next lift, which is no! Another crap generic! And now to the next lift, which is another crap generic! And now to the next lift, which is no!
Door
Another crap
closing.
generic!
Going up.